Hello, grade 3. We're here today as a grade 3 team to share some exciting news with you. We've created this weekly checklist to help you manage your assignments. Some feedback we've gotten is that it can sometimes feel tricky to know what is due, where you should turn it in, where you'll get feedback, and then to just remember that it is completed. So, this will be posted each week with your learning grid to help keep you on track. You'll notice the colors match perfectly with your learning grid. This column will highlight all the activities. This column highlights where to turn it in. This column highlights where you'll get feedback. And here's a space for you to give yourself a check mark so you can have that awesome feeling. I did it. That feeling of success. So I'm just going to go over a couple of key highlights. Here, what you have to do for this week. Remembering some of our learning activities don't need to be turned in. That's what this X is a symbol of. You need to complete it. We can see whether you've done the work or not. So because you see the X, don't think, oh, that doesn't mean it doesn't need to be completed. Untrue. This will help you know I did it. Don't have to turn it in. Not going to worry about feedback. Give myself a check mark. Awesome, well done. Jamboard automatically shares with teacher. Teacher will view it, did it. Self-reflection. So that's going to be shared with you. You do it. It's in Google Classroom. That's where you'll turn it in. These icons are here, so there's just less writing. I know you'll recognize where and what it means. We'll view it. Come down here, follows a similar pattern. Sometimes you'll see something that looks like this, assessment. That's work that needs to be done independently. Your teacher needs to find information about your learning to best plan how we can support and teach you. That's the purpose of assessment. Sometimes your feedback will be from observation and conversation. That's why it's so important that you show up for a Google Meet. So important. Other times there might be a couple of things in this box about where you turn it in. That's where you might have a small assignment that you turn in on Google Classroom, and then another part where you post a video on Flipgrid. Peer feedback. That's where you respond to another classmate's video, and you need to watch other classmates' videos. This is an important part of your learning, in the same way that we share conversations in our classroom and learn from and with each other. We know our inquiry work is optional. It's here. Sometimes on Flipgrid, you might get feedback from your teacher and from your classmates. And again, this is not mandatory. You do not have to do this. It's here to support you if you think it would be helpful for your learning and your family. All right. So, print it off. Look at it on the screen. You do you. If you have any questions, contact your classroom teacher. Thank you.